Hi guys, today we're going to get into a bit of a meditation, and I want it to be a 5-minute meditation. So this is a really good starting point if you're just new to meditation or you're wanting to get back into your meditation practice or just to have something to follow along with. It's not going to be a guided meditation, but instead what it'll be is I'll be tuning into my breath as you guys are tuning into your breath along with me. So for 5 minutes we'll do cleansing breaths, and it's going to be really simple. It's just going to be a deep inhale and then a deep exhale through the mouth. So it's almost like sighing out. And this is really good cleansing, especially if we aren't meditating very often. Just taking these 5 minutes to really take in a deep inhale and then sigh it all out. It's gonna act as a form of cleansing. So as we're inhaling, we can visualize oxygen going into every cell of our bodies, and then as we exhale, we can see anything that isn't serving us being let go of. So you can make that as simple as you're inhaling oxygen and exhaling the carbon dioxide, which you don't need. So it's just this process of bringing in something that's healing, healthy, and exhaling, letting go of something that isn't needed. So as we're tuning into our breath, we can sit in a comfortable position with our spine straight. And if you want, you can even do a little bit of stretching beforehand. This is actually the purpose of yoga and why it's been practiced for thousands of years in India, is so that yogis could sit in meditation comfortably for sometimes hours at a time. So if you want to do a little bit of exercise or some stretching beforehand, go for it. And then take these 5 minutes to really tune into your breath. So all we're doing here is inhaling and exhaling. And if your mind wanders, that's okay. If you want something to visualize, you can just visualize health and wellness as you inhale, and then exhaling, you can even see your carbon dioxide going into the trees and giving them the sustenance that they need to. So if you start and you realize that you don't want to follow along with my breath, that's totally fine too. You can even just take your phone and put a 5-minute timer on it. Wow, look at my phone, it's 5:55. Can you even see? 5:55. As I'm saying, we're doing this 5-minute meditation, so it's divine. It's synchronicities, angel numbers, 555. Okay, so I've got this actually it's set to 5 hours. So let me make sure it's set to 5 minutes. I don't want to go too crazy. So 5 minutes here, and get into your comfortable position because we gonna do this. So just getting into a comfortable position here, getting ready for this 5 minutes of cleansing breaths. All we need to do in these next 5 minutes is inhale and exhale. You can even think of the dolphins, that are the only animals that are conscious of every breath they take. You're about to be conscious of every breath you take for the next 5 minutes. And that's really a gift to be giving yourself. So thank yourself for doing this and for being here. I want to do a countdown. It's like we're taking off. 10, 9. I'll just do 3. 3, 2, 1. Meditation! Talk to you in 5 minutes. Taking a deep inhale here. And exhale. that's it. We did it. So coming back to your body now, back to this earth, welcome. We are humans on earth, here to co-create and enjoy our experiences together. So may you walk freely throughout your day, or if you're doing this before bed, have a good night rest, wherever you are in the world. May you be happy, healthy, and free. Make sure to check the description of this video for some links if you want to connect further, and I wish to see you in the next video.